Hello, today we're going to talk about cleaning leather seats in your vehicle's interior. It's going to be a three-step process, and the first process being removing any debris that is on the leather seat. Second process is then cleaning the leather seat to make sure we remove any oil buildup from people sitting on the leather seats and just general use of the seats. And then the third and final process is the conditioning of the leather. So starting with the first process, we're going to take just a gentle bristled paintbrush, and this will allow us to clean in the cracks and crevices of the seat. And you're just going to gently brush all the areas where the stitching is in the leather seat to make sure we remove all of that debris, and to make sure you get the back part of the seat. And once you've done that, then you're going to follow up with step 2, which is your cleaner. And you can take a microfiber towel. We're going to spray the cleaner onto the microfiber towel, wipe the seat down, making sure that we remove any stains or any areas of buildup that we may see on the seat. A lot of things happen over the years when we're getting inside and out of the vehicle, so it's important that you remove any of that kind of buildup. Then once you've removed everything all of the stains out of the vehicle, you want to follow up with step 3, which is conditioning the leather. You always want to use your designated product specifically for the type of leather that you're cleaning. And the product we're using here is made for this type of leather, so we're going to take a small dab of that and then begin to work it into the leather. And you're going to gently move your microfiber mitt back and forth, working the product into the leather. This will, of course, help extend the life of your leather to prevent premature aging and cracking and the general wear and tear that over time can cause leather to. And that's basically the 3-step process of cleaning the debris from the leather, cleaning it with your leather cleaner, and then following up with your final step of working in your leather conditioner.